Class we will talk about the rest of the things about this chapter, sentence analysis. Now, an object also has its attributes, just like we had attributes for the subject, provided that there must be more than one word of the object. Example: the mother scolded the naughty child. Here the object word is child, and the and naughty are its attributes. Kinds of object. There are two kinds of objects. First one is direct and second one is indirect. Direct two objects. Example: we very often we require two objects with a transitive verb. Payal gave Rupa a book. In the above sentence, the transitive verb has two objects. First one Rupa and second one book. Direct object. It is always in the form of a thing. When we ask the question by using what, the answer will always be a thing which is known as direct object. Payal gave what? The answer is a book. Indirect object. If we use the question word whom to ask the question, the answer will be a person in the form of indirect object. Whom the book was given to? Answer is Rupa. Therefore, Rupa is the indirect object of the transitive verb gave. Usually, the indirect object comes before the direct object. Here are some examples in the form of exercise D. Tara promised her friends a treat. In this sentence, her friends is indirect object and a treat is direct. Mrs. Upadhyay teaches us English the same way. Indirect us and direct Hindi. Did you give Niti her check? Niti indirect, her check direct. Grace bought Kriti a new guitar. Kriti indirect, a new guitar direct. Father gave mother a lovely sari. Mother indirect and a lovely sari direct. Please pass me the salt. Me is indirect object and salt is the direct object. The complement. The word or group of words required to complete the complement is called required to complete the sentence. Sentence is called the complement. It is always used with intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is also known as linking or copular verbs. Here are some linking verbs: be, feel, seem, appear, taste, smell, think, become, grow, test, stay, go, come, run, walk, etc. Look at some sentences given in the box. Mercury is a planet. A planet is a noun. In the same way, two more examples have been given. Now, the last one is the question exercise E. So let us see. This new book is very well written. This very well written is complement in the form of adjective. The people outside the doctor's room grew restless. In this sentence, restless is the complement in the form of adjective. Charu is a singer. A singer is the complement in the form of a noun. The soldiers were exhausted. Exhausted is the complement in the form of adjective. Everyone looked happy. Here, happy is the complement in the form of adjective. The old man was in a smart suit. Here, in a smart suit is the object in the form of a noun. The plant appears quite healthy. This one is means quite healthy is the object in the form of adjective, and the last one, this trip is exciting. This exciting is the complement in the form of adjective. So your chapter is finished. The rest will be taught in the new chapter.